Yeah, go.
Oh, that was a base. No, oh, I don't want to do anymore. Okay, so we're going to make an attempt to drive to my parents' house in the blizzard.
Note the blizzard outside. Massive amounts of snow. And we're all bundled up trying to go to their parents' house.
They're trying to back out. Oh, I can't really see.
Oh, God.
You might get stuck in the snow.
You need, like, snow tires.
Yeah, I think we're stuck.
You think we're stuck?
In the snow.
Here, I'm going to try and push this. Here, you stay inside. You hit neutral. Not neutral, but...
I'm going to put it in first, and you're going to push me.
Yes.
Okay.
When you get out.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
It's worked last year. Alright, here we go.
I feel it's not working! Dude, it's not working.
Maybe try again.
Backwards. Let me go backwards.
Okay.
Push. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go forward now. We're gonna have to rock it.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop.